In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Facebook ads. This integration is a powerful tool that can streamline your marketing efforts by bridging the gap between your CRM and advertising platforms, allowing for seamless data sharing and enhanced campaign effectiveness. Let's start by navigating to HubSpot CRM. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing HubSpot CRM into the search bar. Click on the official HubSpot CRM link that appears in the search results. Once you're on the HubSpot page, locate the option that says Get Started Free. By selecting this, you'll be directed to either create a new account or sign into an existing one if you already have one set up. Once signed in, it's crucial to ensure you're continuing with the correct user account. If everything looks good, continue with your user credentials. You'll have to select your account and confirm by clicking Continue with this account. Now that we're set up within HubSpot, the next step is to navigate to the marketplace. The marketplace is your go-to area for finding integrations and add-ons. In the main navigation bar, look for an icon or tab named Marketplace. Clicking it will redirect you to the HubSpot Marketplace. With the marketplace open, it's time to search for the integration we need. Simply type Facebook or Meta ads into the search bar and press enter. The integration we're looking for will appear in the search results. When it does, click on Install to initiate the process. As you move forward, you'll need to confirm the account you want to use with this integration. A prompt will guide you to continue with the selected account. Following this, click Get Started with Ads to further progress in the onboarding wizard, where you'll choose your ad network. This point is where you'll connect your Facebook account to HubSpot. Doing so allows Facebook to gain access to HubSpot's platform for seamless integration between their services. During this step, you'll be required to log into your Facebook account. Look for the login prompt and enter your credentials. Finally, you'll need to grant permissions for Facebook to access certain parts of HubSpot. This permission step ensures that both platforms can communicate effectively, sharing necessary data to optimize your advertising campaigns. And that's it. You're now all set up to integrate HubSpot with Facebook ads. By linking these two platforms, you're setting the stage for a more harmonized marketing approach, optimizing your resources and maximizing the reach and effectiveness of your ads. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it enables you to leverage HubSpot and Facebook ads to their fullest potential. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.